Hello friends, today we are repairing Realme 9 Pro RMX3472. The client's story is as follows. Children were playing and most likely dropped it. They gave it back under warranty. But the warranty department said that it was mechanical damage and they would not replace the phone for free. Our task is to disassemble the phone, and what is the problem there? Now we put the phone on the separator and heat the display to 100 degrees, but before doing this you need to remove the SIM card. I forgot to tell you that I checked the phone. It is charging and reacts to being turned on, but there is no picture. The motherboard appears to be working. Now we need to warm up the back cover and then peel it off. Guys, look what I discovered before putting it on the separator. My mat slightly sticks to the displays, and when I pulled the phone the display just fell out of the frame. Perhaps the cable has come off the board, or perhaps the cable is not torn too much. In order to see we need to take it apart. And so we heated the phone and now we remove the cover. As a rule, I immediately clean the phone frame and the phone cover itself from glue. I'll it behind the scenes so as not to waste your time. And friends, I got rid of the old glue and also degreased the surface with alcohol. Be careful when disassembling. There are 4 cables under the cover, and if you do not remove it carefully, you can tear or cut them off. Many craftsmen inadvertently cut off these loops. The phone was definitely taken apart, as I see that there is one screw with a white seal that is torn. I forgot about the screw that had a seal, and because of this I couldn't remove the cover. I completely forgot about it. Let's open it now. Now you need to remove the battery because the cable from the display goes under the battery. The phone has warmed up, and I want to remove the main camera so that it does not interfere with us. And in order not to accidentally scratch the lens, we carefully peel it off. We removed the camera and see that there is a silver tape. It serves to transfer its heat to the phone body. I removed the separator so that it wouldn't interfere with us, and let's take out the display and see what's there. And friends, I see that the cable on the phone is completely torn off. We found the reason why the display doesn't work. I can't restore it because there are too many tracks and the cable is double-sided. If it wasn't torn much, I could restore it. But it's completely torn off, so you just need to change the display completely. You can still assemble the lower part of the phone because the display cable will immediately go to the upper board. Done. Now you need to install the display module. Well, friends, As you can see, the touchscreen works in all places and the display displays the picture perfectly. The owner of the phone wanted to install the original display. I also checked the cameras before gluing the cover. Another phone goes into the collection of successfully repaired ones. I hope my videos are useful. Subscribe to the channel and good luck with your repairs.